We are sitting in the car whilst it rains and they're just lifting another boat out the dock, but I thought that we should tell you how we're feeling about the launch in. Nick, you want to start?
I'm feeling very nervous. There are 2 big holes in the boat before this week and last week, so got to really make sure that those are watertight, so I'll be hopping on as soon as we get in just to make sure there are no leaks.
Yeah, we're both
That's the biggest thing I'm nervous about. And
both feeling a little bit worried. Yeah. It's the first time we've done anything like this, especially with our own boat, and first time, you know, you pulled the whole engine apart, so there's a few things that could let water in, but you're going to jump on, or we're both going to jump on as soon as it's tied up to the dock and have a good look and make sure there's no water coming in, and if there is, then the yard guys will lift us straight away again. So, you know, it's not too much of a worry.
Yeah.
But it's just all the hard work that we don't want. We don't want any leaks, right? Yeah. So Nigel's driving the
it's
what's
not a
it
boat
called?
anymore, it's a car.
I know, the boat mover. You can see him at the far end there. It's a tight gap to get out between, but he's very experienced. Look at that. Just straight out. Like nobody's business.
It's almost like they have to put them in that way.
And she's gone. So Nick just noticed that our, you can see our outboard sticking out a bit, so he's going to head up and just tuck it in so in the dock it doesn't get caught on anything. And when they're moving, it's not going to scrape anything that they go past. Not sure why it's twisted over, but I think it's the wind that did it. There we go. That's so flat. Slap it on, Nick, slap it on. Slap it on. Imagine if the boat dropped on us right now. Oh, it's going to go all over us. Done. It's taking a turn for the worst. It's so cold.
Snowing and hailing.
It's snowing and hailing. Oh yeah, there we go, on the camera. That's okay. Let's go. So I'm just in the lazarette having a look. Nick's discovered one leak, but it's not from the underside of the boat, so that's a good thing. It's from the top, just some screws that weren't properly sticker-flexed in. So something that definitely can be fixed. You can see I've just chucked a bucket there, but the rudder, all the rudder stuff that we put in is looking good for now. Tiny bit worried there's a little gap at the top of the rubber gaiter, but hopefully that will be okay, and we think we may be able to just adjust that slightly when it's a bit calmer. As you can hear, it's a bit windy as it's snowing and blowing about 30 knots, so yeah, we're happy it's in the water. And next comment, being in the water,
let's get some hot chocolates.
Now that stressful bit's over.
Oh my god.
Time to have a hot chocolate, I think, and it's freezing cold. You sure you've attached everything correctly?
Yeah, this is the moment of truth. More like the moment of struth.
Glow plugs up, yeah?
Yeah.
2, 3,
Do it for like
4,
10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You got water?
I'm pretty cold, and I'm pretty proud of myself because I just reversed it into the bath after having not driven for 6 weeks.
6 weeks?
Not helmed, I should say helmed. But did it imperfectly. There was a couple moments of doubt, but the engine works perfectly, the rudder works perfectly. Nick's done a fantastic job, and we made it. And Tully joined us. Where's she gone? There she is. Did you come with us? You did. You're such a good boat. One thing which we didn't film or explain very well. Are you just staring at yourself?
Yeah.
One thing that we didn't film or explain is that when we turned the engine on, oh hi Tully, when we turned the engine on, we didn't pre-fill the...
There wasn't any water coming out when we turned the engine on. We were a bit worried, but it does take a little while for the pumps to prime up, so I think
yeah,
in
so
hindsight,
it came good, but we ended up asking a few people walking by what they thought,
yeah.
And then we got, you know, people gave us some tips and just to keep the engine running and increase the revs, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, we could have avoided that by pre-filling it.
Yeah, we some when we've launched since then, we've put a little bit of extra water back through the strainer to help the pump prime faster.
Yeah, to prime it, that's the right word.
Yeah. It's really exciting whenever the boat goes back in. We've done it a couple of times since we've recorded those videos. But thank you very much for watching it and coming along for the ride.
In next episode, which is going to be maybe in a couple of weeks, but you know, we're really unreliable, is we
take the boat.
Yeah, we take the boat out and head
actually use it on the water. It's wet.
We head over to a neighbouring marina, and then we also do some local sightseeing. So a bit more of an enjoyable video from my point of view.
Nice.
Not that we don't like seeing Nick do maintenance.
Yeah, we'll see you on the next one.